Hello guys, this is how to change the controller batteries of your MetaQuest 3S or your MetaQuest 3. So if you notice that you're running out of batteries on your MetaQuest 3S or your MetaQuest 3 controller, then it is very necessary you change the batteries for the controllers to continue to work. First things first, you want to go over to either your right or your left controller. Over here is my left controller, and if you just turn over to the left hand side, you're going to see this little button over here. It is triangular. You just want to go ahead and click on it, just press on it downward, and the battery cover is just going to pop out of the controller. So you just want to remove it, and then to remove the battery you can just use your finger to pull this out. But if you do not have finger, you can as well use a little pin, something as small as this, and then you just want to remove it just like so. You should be able to now remove the batteries on your MetaQuest 3S or your MetaQuest 3 controller. You want to go ahead and get a new battery. In my case, I have these new batteries I just got. Keep in mind that they have to be AA batteries, and then you just want to insert the negative part first, which is the bottom of the battery, to this place where we have a pin, and then you pull it inside just like so. And then to cover it, you just want to place your battery cover just like so, and then slide it upward, and you're good to go. You want to do the same thing for the right controller as well. Press on the button to open it up, and you want to go ahead and remove the batteries as well. I'll be using my finger in this case. It's even very easy. Get your new batteries and then insert the negative part first just like so, and then push it downward, and then you just want to slide it upward like so. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.